Hi everyone, it's Elizabeth Larson from Belleville Volkswagen bringing you this 2025 Comfortline Taos Black Edition. Look at those cool black alloys. It has the leatherette interior, leather wrapped steering wheel. It's a 5-seater, all-wheel drive. It has a beautiful heated steering wheel, which you'll love. Very comfortable seats, dual zone climate control, app connect, and you have a panoramic sunroof with CarNet. So if you'd like to know about this or any of our other amazing vehicles, please come see Elizabeth at Belleville Volkswagen. Give us a call at 613-966-3333. Or you can just drop in at 239 North Front Street. Have a great day.